Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone who's new, who's already subscribed, who's not. Everyone's welcome. Today is finally the D-Day. We're gonna install the engine. The plan: we take out the frame, engine, gearbox. I have myself a new jack. Well, not that I don't have it, I loaned it. So we can put in the engine. Already freed up some space. Need to have motorcycle in the frame because we had it when we took out the engine. It's for good luck. So now I'm just currently waiting for my dad to get here. He's gonna help me with this because he knows what he's doing, and it's usually helpful if someone knows what he doing. So yeah, new parts for the gearbox, new clutch, gearbox bearing, cylinder. So basically, yeah, we can attach the gearbox as it is. This is the full set. Let me just unpack it quickly. We have the disc, and we have the flywheel, or whatever it's called. All the rest of the parts are there. So we can attach it to the engine and forget about it. And we don't have to take off the gearbox anymore. That's a big plus. So we're basically at halfway point. New clutch, flywheel, everything. I will put in the Newton meters in the description. So currently tightening down the engine. We're at the halfway point. Next step, the gearbox. So sum up of the first day. We have engine in, but unfortunately that's it. Nothing more. Well, yeah, we have clutch and flywheel on. The clutch screws I'll put down. This is the nanometers I used to screw them down, and the flywheel, these are the nanometers I used to screw down. That's the information I found on internet. Hopefully that's correct. Didn't do anything with the rear, but yeah, the problem why we don't have a gearbox on. As it turns out, I don't have the right bearing for it. Yeah, so I can't fit anything on here. This is the old one. Yeah, it's broken. Well, it's not broken, but doesn't sound that fresh. I wanted to put in a new one that doesn't make any sound and it's new. But yeah, as you can see, goddamn bearing doesn't work. I have two of them. This one came in with the clutch. This one definitely doesn't work, and it's from different car. Then I bought a new one and it still doesn't work. Yay. Sad, but I guess I can continue searching for it. Maybe try to find this one. We'll see. Time for a bit of assembly. Firstly, just put the metal cord back in place, and then you can put it in this rail, and then we're gonna go to the gearbox. So installation, you just grease up the axle, then the bearing facing forward, the engine side, these ones facing away from you. Just align it with the clutch. Stick it in there. That's it. So yet another day in my one episode. There's a big mess, I don't know why. Never mind, the mess is everywhere. So today I'm gonna tackle the exhaust. I want to put on what I have. Basically, as you can see, I have two parts of it. I'm just gonna attach it to the front one because this rear one I need to drill out the broken screw. Yeah, so basically it went somewhere here. Something like that was displaced. But yeah, I want to put it through, attach at least this end. That one can wait a bit. Then yeah, the handbrake. Everything is fine here, no complaints. It worked fine before and it looks fine. They're still in good condition. And yeah, I want to attach the drive shafts, so we're pretty much good for this episode. Let's see how much of that we can accomplish. So this is what I have now. Looks better. Not the cleanest thing, but the metal is still quite good, so I won't change it for now. If I feel like it, I will spend extra money and buy the whole thing new. So yeah, as you can see, it goes like this, like this, like this, and I found this bendy part also. It's not, I just put it so I can see it in perspective how it looks. So yeah, I'm missing this end, plus I don't know what's gonna happen to this part from the turbine down, because I need to take off the turbine. And as I heard, these break quite easily. Plus I see that it's already kind of, one screw is missing. So yeah, either way I will need to find do something about this whole exhaust, because yeah, this is also rusted out. But for now I'm quite happy. So I just found out something really interesting. You can't fit it any way you like, I think. Ah, you can. Never mind. How far should it be? That's an interesting question. Oh, let's see how the handbrake works. So, time for Driveshaft. Not sure is there any difference if I put it how I put it. My guidance is from the video where I removed it. So yeah, hope I get it right. It's held in on 17mm screws. Just get it in place just so it holds a bit. So yeah, this end with where the gearbox is held in on 17mm. These heads, you just need to add seal to it, and don't mind the dog. He's doing his own thing, I hope, otherwise someone's trying to break in. I let him do his job, I'm gonna do my job. So yeah, just like that, I'm gonna tighten it down. We can move on to the front side. So now the front drive shaft. Now the front drive shaft is held in on 14mm screws, and again the thicker part goes towards the gearbox and the smaller part towards the axle. At least that's what I know. If someone knows how it should be correctly, please do comment. I need to know, I don't want to mess this up. So ladies and gentlemen, we have drive shafts, we have exhaust, well, almost have exhaust. Anyway, yeah, so why I say ladies and gentlemen, I noticed that there is 1% females watching me, women, so I guess that's one girl watched. I guess her boyfriend made her watch it. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for stopping by everyone, you're always welcome. So it's been almost a year since we had something like this. Well, okay, it's almost a year since I started this project, but yeah, it's the farthest I ever got. As you can see, drive shafts are in, exhaust's in, engine in, so we did a really good job this episode. Plans for the next one? What will be the plans for the next one? Well, basically, I'll stick a bunch of these on the radiator. I won't put it on these, but yeah, I want to plug the holes as much as I can, and I need to wash it thoroughly. Wash everything, the frame, because now it looks like it's rusted, but it's just the dirt on it. And yeah, I need to wash the engine, that's the main thing, and then I will start taking it apart. Need to take off this side, tweak some stuff there, change some stuff there, repair the turbine so we have boost. Well, whatever boost that little thing makes, but still, I need it. I need every bit of boosty that it gives. Yeah, and this is the end of the episode, and thanks everyone who's subscribing. You guys are awesome. Thanks to people who's been with me for almost a year and who's been with me more than a year. I know that most of the people would make this project in like a week or two, but I'm taking it slow, trying to get knowledge, experience, and maybe help you guys. I don't know, maybe it helps someone. So thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next episode. Stay safe and wash your hands. Bye!